Are you tired of seeing the connection lost error in Clash of Clans right when you are about to win a battle? You open the game, it loads and boom, connection lost. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWash. First, open a browser to your choice, type internet speed test. Wait a moment to check your internet speed. If you have bad internet, swipe down from top, turn aeroplane on for 10 to 20 seconds, then turn off. Now, go to settings. Scroll down and tap apps. Search for Clash of Clans. Now, tap for Stop. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache and tap Clear Data. Then go to Google Play Store. Search for Clash of Clans. If you see you have update, then update it. And lastly, restart your phone. Now, you know the best way to fix the Clash of Clans connection loss problem. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.